What's going on? It's me, Tuomo, coming to you from beautiful, amazing Tahiti. Little weekend send off. And what I wanted to actually quickly talk to you guys about is how to make decisions better. I know that sounds pretty bold statement of how to make decisions better, but hear me out. Let's put some lights on again. I'm reading this book from Ray Dalio, The Principles, and he talks about in this chapter that I'm reading, exactly about how to make decisions better and about levels, how you can go up levels and then go deeper down into the smaller details. And what the idea is, I'll give you an example. Yesterday I got a pretty horrific email actually from someone that was, I never get those kind of emails. It was a hacker basically trying to get some money out of me and saying like, if I don't do XYZ, then he's gonna do ABC. And it was really interesting to see how I behaved, how the fear started coming up, like, hey, you know, if I don't do this and I don't send this guy money, then he's gonna crash my accounts and do all that jazz. And I really had to take a deep breath. Like, first of all, the first thing I was telling myself, like, okay, breathe into this, breathe in. So like, get yourself together first. And then the second thing is like, okay, let's take a higher level perspective. Like, let's take it all the way from here. Let's take like a big, higher level bird's eye view of this situation. And then from there, I went really deeply in. I went like really into details, like what are the words that are in this email? Like how much of this email can be actually true and how much he's actually be able to do. So really into like really micro, into really meta, if you will, and then you get that bird's eye view, and then from those two perspectives you start making a better mental and emotional images of the thing. And obviously when you're making decisions, the other huge thing is, as much as possible, leave your emotions out. I know that might sound really stupid and really like, hey, but once you're making decisions, or you bring these lower level energy centers, if you will, into your decision making, most of the decisions are based out of, when you're making decision out of emotions, if you will, they're survival instincts. Your emotions wants to keep you safe, and they want to make sure that things are functioning, right? So a lot of the times doesn't really make sense when you listen to your emotions too much. So you really gotta bring that higher level thinking and higher level cognitive abilities into your decision making as well. So go high, and then from the high go really deep detail, go very meta, if you will, and then get yourself together and make those decisions from there. So that's a real small inspiration from my yesterday's little scare, if you will. But that's it. That's a Friday sent off here from Tahiti. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. And I just want to show you a quick view of Moorea, our sister island over there in the back. So have a good one, guys. Let me know how that high and low level thinking sits with you. Ciao.